Actually, this is a time for general feedback. I am asking the participants to give feedback about the program. It's a general feedback session.
Good evening to all. I am Kavita, Assistant Professor at University College of Engineering, Virutham. I am
Kavita ma'am, your voice is breaking.
right. One second, ma'am. Now, ma'am. Hello.
Now it's clear. Now it's clear.
Oh, okay. Really, I applied 2 weeks before. I, I thank the organizers for accepting my application for this workshop and giving me permission to attend this wonderful FDP Atal AST sponsored Atal FDP. From the beginning of the first session to the last session, we are enjoying the session. We are not at all bored of any session. Each and every resource person showed their interest and they expressed their session in a very good manner. Everything is very understandable, and I also changed my mind of doing the research in the area of blockchain. Today in morning session also, madam told me that not only for me, for every faculty in this FTP, we can give small projects to the uh, third year students, final year students. In what area we can concentrate in the research area. Uh, Really very good FDP ma'am. Thanks once again. Thanks the ATL people as well as the IRTC faculty members and the organizers for giving me an opportunity to take part in this wonderful FDP.
Thank you ma'am. Thank you ma'am.
Thank you ma'am.
நீங்க வந்து ஆரம்பிச்சுங்க சார் ஃபீட்பேக் போயிட்டு இருக்குங்க சார் இல்லை அப்படி இல்லைங்க சார் அவங்க கொடுத்துட்டு இருக்காங்க சார் நீங்கள் வந்து ரைட் பிரின்சிபல் வராரு
Is there any feedback from audience side?
Ma'am, I would like to thank, I am Ankita Goyal. I am a research scholar at SRM University, Delhi NCR. And I would like to express my gratitude to IRTT and the AICTE ATIL for organizing this workshop. It has been really insightful. And all the sessions related to blockchain and the last session for stress management, all these sessions will help in me in my research work, and I guess everyone present in this workshop are really thankful for the organizers for conducting this workshop. It has been a great experience.
Thank you ma'am.
Hello, ma'am, am I audible?
Yeah, audible sir. Abdul sir, audible.
Yes, ma'am. First of all, thank to IRTT that people have conducted a very good faculty development program on emerging topic like blockchain. Thanks to madam that you have selected the resource persons. They are very much enthusiastic to explain us the current technology. All the resource persons are very good. They have explained us very well, and we have gathered a lot of information from the resource person. Thank you once again. Thanks to IRTT.
Thank you sir. Thank you sir.
Good afternoon, everybody.
Is there any feedback?
I am Baby Priya. Am I audible, ma'am?
Audible ma'am. Audible.
Baby Priya from First of all, I would like to thank the IRTT principal and coordinator Bhuvneshwari ma'am and the ATL people for to attend this FDP. Even though the area is very new to us, we are happy that we have learned some new concepts in blockchain and cyber security and the applications of blockchain. And I would like to congratulate the coordinator for the very good overall organization. And the time management also was very good. All the sessions have started in time and have ended in time. And all the resource persons were also, they have explained their concepts in a very understandable way. Thank you, ma'am. Once again, I thank the coordinator and Atal. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much.
Good afternoon to all. I am Dr. R. Senthil Raja, Assistant Professor, Mechanical Engineering, IRTT. I am attending this course. I am attending this AICT Atal FDP from November 22 onwards. I am a mechanical background. Even though this topics are very new for me, I learned a lot from this program. Here, the selection of topics and resource persons are very excellent. Resource persons from various reputed institutions and industries delivered their enriched knowledge to us. Definitely, we are all going to transfer this knowledge to our student community. Then only the objective of this FDP will fulfill. Here, all the sessions were very informative and excellent. Finally, I would like to thank the coordinator for selecting this kind of new title and for giving this opportunity attend this program. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Is there any feedback from participant side?
ரைட் பின்னாடி லைட்டு போட்டுங்க இந்த லைட் லைட் இல்லைங்களா
Good evening, everybody. I welcome our esteemed principal, head of the CSE department, Dr. A. Sharda ma'am, head of the EEE department, Dr. Muhammad Hussaini ma'am, my dear colleagues and participants, for the valedictory function of AICT ATAL sponsored online 5 days faculty development program on role of blockchain technology in India and insight into public sector. This online FDP, which started on 22/11/2021, is about to get over now on 26/11/2021. Firstly, I request our esteemed principal, Dr. R. Murugesan sir, to deliver a valuable and conclusive speech. Thank you, sir. Now I will hand over the session to our principal, sir.
Thank you. And welcome all of you for the valedictory function. Oh, so on behalf of IT department of IRTT Erode, I express my sincere thanks to the expert lecturers who have shared their expertise in delivering lectures in the 5 days FDP program on role of blockchain technology in India and insight into public sector. And I congratulate and thank the coordinator, Dr. Bhuvaneshwari Madam, for having successfully organized this FDP program. And I feel that all the participants might have enjoyed the program and they are benefited. I hope they are benefited out of this FDP program. And I thank the AICT and the director IRT for having permitted to conduct this FDP program, and the AICT for having sponsored this program. And I thank all the participants and HODs and all the spectators. Thank you, one and all. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Now I would like to express my thankfulness to everyone present here. First of all, I express my sincere thanks to AICT ATAL, the organization which sanctioned this online FDP, the IRT management, the IRT director, the DOE director, our esteemed principal, Dr. R. Murugesan sir, all of the HODs of IRTT, the managements, principals and HODs of the participants who sponsored delegates from various institutions throughout India. I also express my special gratitude to all of our resource people, Dr. Julian sir, Bhavana Rudra ma'am, Venkatesan sir, Dhanalakshmi ma'am, Mukesh Mughania sir, Tamlarisi ma'am, Narayanan sir, Anena ma'am, Hari sir, Tibin Taba sir, Nannipriya ma'am, Bharat Bhushan sir, and Vidya Priya ma'am, who delivered their lectures on various topics relevant to the program title. I finally thank our department and college staff members who directly and indirectly supported the successful and smooth conduction and completion of this online FDP. Now it's time for the participant to attend the assessment for this online FDP. Thank you. Thank you all. Now it's time for the participants to attend the assessment for this online FDP. I will post the link for the assessment in the chat box and in the WhatsApp group. All the participants are asked to attend the assessment without fail and submit the response within a specified time. Once again, I thank you all.